Alright guys, so I thought I would get a video of the trains again. I know I've never filmed these on camera. Well, I have, but didn't end up posting the video to my channel. So here they are again. There's 15 steers. I think this one might have just fired up. Yeah, that's pumping ice. So. This one is from August of 2010. It's from the 27th week of 2010. And it's a 1.5 ton. Got a Gentech fan motor, and they were installed by Jones Heating and Air. Here's a downstairs one. This one barely runs. I don't think it's even been running. From 2010 as well, October 2010. It's a 15 steer in the 43rd week of 2010, and it's a 2-ton. And it's kind of funny because these do look like the same size if we compare here, but this one's bigger somehow. And it doesn't have a Gentech. It actually has an RU fan motor. Sorry about that, guys. I just stopped the video and well, this one just shut off. So yeah. Like I was saying, it has an RU fan motor, not a Gentech. I believe it got its fan motor replaced recently. It said like 2022 on the fan motor, so yeah. They both have climate-tough reciprocating compressors. Good old recips with compressor blankets. I always think this one's running without the compressor because of how quiet it is. And I might get a startup of the upstairs. Probably not the downstairs because it hasn't been running. Oh, it has. The fan motor. Oops. The fan motor's warm. So. Yep. There's the 2 Tranes at my grandma's house. So. Yep. They are, they're 15 years old now, which is the average lifespan of an air conditioner. Yep. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.